Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Kerr, and I'm the manager of the Dale Etheridge Planetarium on the North Las Vegas campus of the College of Southern Nevada. Welcome to the September 8th installment of the Las Vegas Weekly Night Sky. In these episodes, we want to let you know what you can look for in the nighttime sky out there. I want to start off by talking a little bit about the lunar eclipse that occurred. Like usual, social media was full of breathless headlines and clickbait articles about the blood moon. There are several problems with this, not the least of which is that the eclipse was not even visible in the continental US. A partial eclipse, which is barely noticeable, was visible from the west coast of Alaska. Now, lunar eclipses are fun to see, but the clickbait makes things so much worse for astronomers. People are disappointed when an astronomical event that has been overhyped does not live up to expectations. It's even worse when people can't see it at all. You need to be very careful when you see astronomical events hyped up, especially on social media. There are a large number of reputable sources on the internet that will tell you the truth, and often the truth can be even better than the ridiculously hyped clickbait. Lunar eclipses are caused by the moon passing into the shadow cast by Earth from the sun. Our shadow has two parts, the penumbra and the umbra. The umbra is the darkest part of the Earth's shadow. The penumbra is the lighter part of the Earth's shadow. When the moon passes into the penumbra, it is often barely noticeable. Only when the moon passes into the umbral part of our shadow does the eclipse really get noticeable. When the moon passes completely into the umbra of the Earth's shadow, only light filtered by the Earth's atmosphere strikes the moon's surface and gets reflected back to us. This light is mostly the red portion of the spectrum from the sun, because the bluer light is scattered more easily by our atmosphere. Lately, the media has been promoting the idea of the blood moon. Since the red light is what we will see more of, the moon will take on a red tint during the eclipse. The key word there is tint. Often the moon will seem more of a pale pink color. Occasionally, it will appear a deeper red, but that is fairly rare. Atmospheric conditions will determine just how red the moon appears during the umbral portion of the eclipse, but it's much better not to expect blood red. This week, the moon will be in its waning phases. It won't be visible in the early evening now, but you should at least be able to find it in the morning before dawn pretty easily. We'll move from the full moon to a last quarter phase this week, and next week we'll head towards the new moon. Monday night, the moon will still be nearly full and will be seen to the left of Saturn in the early evening. They will basically rise together over in the east. Looking east in the predawn sky will show you Venus and Jupiter. They will be the two brightest objects in the early morning sky, with Jupiter up higher near Castor and Pollux, and Venus getting closer to the horizon. Join us again next Monday for some new weekly sky highlights. I look forward to seeing you at the planetarium.